Something very strange is happening in the world of desktop computing. For years, if you wanted a real computer, you bought a tower. You bought a machine that took up half your desk and sounded like a jet engine when you tried to export a video. But as we move into early 2026, the leaks coming out of Apple's supply chain are describing a shift so radical, it makes the old Mac Pro look like a museum piece. We are talking about the M5 Mac Mini. If you're currently using an M1 or even an Intel-based Mac Mini, you are sitting on a ticking clock. The rumors we've seen over the last few months, ranging from leaked FCC model numbers to internal macOS 26.4 code, point to a machine that is no longer just the entry-level Mac. The M5 Mac Mini is being positioned as a silent, invisible supercomputer. It's the device that's going to make you wonder why anyone still buys a laptop they never move from their desk. The Silicon Revolution, M5 and M5 Pro. Let's get right to the heart of the beast, the silicon. The M5 chip isn't just a faster M4. It is the first chip built on an enhanced 3nm plus process, specifically designed to bridge the gap between traditional computing and the age of Apple intelligence. Early benchmarks are already circulating in the developer community. We are looking at a 10-core CPU as the base, with 6 efficiency cores and 4 performance cores. But it's the GPU where the M5 truly screams. Rumors suggest a 45% jump in graphics performance over the M4. For a machine that starts at $599, that is unheard of. We are talking about a computer the size of a sandwich that can edit 8K ProRes video and play AAA games at 100 frames per second. But for the power users in New York, LA, and Austin, the real story is the M5 Pro. The leaked specs suggest a 16-core CPU and a 22-core GPU. This is the chip that puts the Mac Studio on notice. It's designed for the 3D artists, the developers running massive local LLMs, and the filmmakers who need a render farm that fits in a backpack. AI at the core, the neural accelerator. In 2026, a computer is only as good as its AI. Apple knows this. The M5 chip is reportedly the first to feature a neural accelerator in every single GPU core. This isn't just marketing fluff. This allows the Mac Mini to handle on-device AI tasks, like text-to-image generation and real-time voice synthesis, over 4 times faster than the M4 generation. Why does this matter to the average American consumer? Because Siri is finally growing up. With the Siri 2.0 rollout happening alongside this hardware, your Mac Mini becomes a proactive agent. It's not just searching the web anymore. It's organizing your files, summarizing your meetings, and automating your workflow locally, without your data ever leaving the machine. Privacy is the new luxury, and the M5 Mac Mini is the vault. The invisible design, if it ain't broke. We have to address the elephant in the room. The design. After the massive 5 by 5-inch redesign we saw in 2024, Apple is reportedly sticking with the same compact chassis for the M5. And honestly, that's a good thing. The 2024 redesign was a masterpiece of thermal engineering. It moved the air through the bottom of the device, allowing it to stay icy cold even under heavy load. By keeping the same footprint, Apple is focusing all their research and development on what's inside.